Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device Wi-Fi is enabled, the OS is updated, and you have login credentials for any account or carrier. Next, pick the best method: built-in carrier roaming, a portable hotspot device, or an eSIM data plan, because each affects speed, cost, and security. Once chosen, enable hotspot or install eSIM profile, then scan for networks and confirm signal strength. That gets you into the first actionable connection step without delay. Once connected, secure and optimize the link so you get usable speeds and protect data. You should set WPA3 or WPA2 encryption, change the default SSID, and create a strong passphrase. This prevents casual snooping. Then pick the right band. Use 4 GHz for wider range and 5 GHz for lower interference and higher throughput. Also enable data saver features, quality of service limits, and pause background updates so critical apps get priority and you avoid surprise usage caps. To finish, verify that your device has a valid IP and DNS and start a VPN if you require privacy. This ensures both reachability and protection. Make sure apps are syncing and that performance matches expectations. If speeds lag, restart the modem or hotspot, toggle airplane mode on the device, and rejoin the network. Simple resets often clear captive portals or DHCP issues. If you hit a data cap or throttling, switch to a secondary plan or local SIM. That resolves most persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.